nigga. You're cooked, nigga.
Right,
and it's good.
I'll quit the game.
You quit the game, nigga. The game's already over, nigga. It's on, right? Like a champ. You're a liar.
It's been on there.
You're a liar. Just remember what Byron did to you, bro.
Byron didn't do shit to me, nigga.
Hey, I'm gonna go red.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna go red.
Byron didn't do nothing to me, nigga.
Byron ripped you guys apart.
No, they didn't. Byron thought they was gonna do something, but they didn't do nothing.
Oh my god. Chad, we're gonna piss him off first. We're gonna piss him off first game. Get in your head, nigga. Let's relax, you know? It's just the first game. Nothing too serious. Shit. Good drop. Good drop.
What the fuck? How you not get him? Oh my god, bro.
It's good. Whoa.
Relax.
I know.
You're doing too much. You're doing too much. I know you're doing too much. You know you're doing too much. Okay?
This
Relax.
is my first concern right here. This is right here.
Yeah, my shit is hella ass.
It's okay. We can help it. We can help it. Right. Oh, yo.
Yeah, what a hit.
If you didn't shoot that, you would have been sick, nigga.
What a hit.
If you didn't shoot that, you would have been sick.
What a hit.
If you didn't shoot that, you would have been
What
sick.
a hit. What a hit. That was a great hit. It's alright, we just need to do one replay on that one.
No foul? No foul? No foul? Hey, foul? No fouls?
Give it right back to you, nigga. Give it right back to him, chat. Go, nigga.
Yeah, we're here.
Get out of here.
You better follow him. You better follow him. You better keep up. You better keep up, nigga. Oh.
As soon as I get in front of you, you're cooked. What are you doing?
It's alright. Yup. He took a far ass touch, bro. Long ass touch.
How the fuck?
Chat, we know, chat. We know, chat. We know, chat. Harry Kane! He's gonna make it, nigga. He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. Watch. Trust and believe. Yeah, sir. Keep going, nigga. Nigga, run, nigga.
You gotta release some pressure and score.
Yes, who?
You know, something weak.
You keep playing. You keep playing small, bro. I'm gonna catch up to that ball, bro.
You're not bro.
I'm gonna catch up to that ball.
You're
Bro.
not faster than the ball.
Left, pass it to him, finish. Simple as that. Nigga, you're slow with the ball, nigga. Pass it in. Good money. Good money. Good money.
You're not
Kane.
that fast with the ball.
Kane.
You're not that fast with the ball. What the fuck? Look at that cross.
Over here.
Get that shit out of there. Give me that. Give me that. Get that shit out of there. Jeez, what? Almost had you there. Never mind.
Boom!
Too high, my boy. Cheese on bread. You're not faster than the ball, nigga. I need you to remember that. What a ball.
Chad, he's just too excited.
I'm not getting the right connection.
Just,
I'm not getting the right connection. I think because I'm my little woozy stuff.
you don't take your time. You don't do nothing.
It's fine. It's fine.
And
it's
you know
fine.
we're good with that. What a wow.
What the hell is still their ball?
You're going them. Oh my god, you sailed us, bro. Don't pass it, bro. Don't pass it. It's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad. Davis is on you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. Get there, nigga.
Go.
Get in front of him.
Damn.
Go. Run it up. We're here. Keep going. Boom, nigga. Oh. Yeah, deflection. We should be there. We should fucking be there. We should fucking be there. Oh my god. Nigga, run, nigga, keep going, nigga.
With you, nigga.
Right here. Boom.
Hell no.
Hell no. What? My savior. I told you, nigga. You won't come and clutch, nigga. Shit.
You can do it again, chat.
Go cut through. Please. No!
What's going on, bro?
Come on, bro.
I need a full pound, bro. Full. High.
Let's go. Harry. You over here. Boom.
Thank you. Oh, shit.
Boom! Allah!
What a biz. Last minute winner. Chat, that's why we do last minute winner banger dingers. Last minute winner banger dingers.
Chat. It's on the leg, nigga. It's on the leg. It's time. It's time. You got to relax though, bro. Take it back real quick. Real quick.
Hell no, nigga.
All right, bet.
All
right, bet.
Quickly. But my players feels a little weird, bro. He was gonna defend extra bright today, nigga. Wow.
I'll negotiate.
Don't say
I'll
nothing
negotiate.
to do. What?
I'll
What's up?
negotiate. You give me this game, and I'll let you go. It's the first one. You give me this game, and I'll let it free.
No.
No? Chad, he's a hero. Chad, he's a hero. He's a hero. Are you sure? I'm gonna count to 3 though. I'm gonna give you 4. 4 is my lucky number. I'm gonna give you till 4. Count down to 4. I'm gonna give you an option. Give me the game or shot calling. 4.
Ball.
3.
Sonny.
2.
Sonny, you're
Ass. Chad, we gotta take the game anyways, man. It's good. It's good.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Foul.
What?
Foul.
What? Where? No way. Get it out of there. Get it out of there. Davis, stay back. I need you to stay back. Davis, stay back, nigga. Go back, fuck, nigga. Kane. I'm telling you, bro, those little small passes right there in the box, you're going to regret it, man. You're going to regret it.
I'm not regretting nothing, nigga. My niggas is doing their jobs.
Hell no.
Come on, nigga.
What the hell's going on? Let's go. Run, nigga.
Give me that.
Bro, why isn't that nigga running?
Come on, nigga. Because you don't listen.
Oh, my God.
You don't listen. Uncooperative ass nigga.
Hey, you know who's going to run, though? Davis.
Because he's black, huh? African ass nigga, huh?
Yeah.
Still
African ass nigga. I negotiate with you again.
I take the game,
Take the game? One line.
I take the game.
Chat. It's good. That's one game.
Take the game.
Chat,
Nigga.
that's one game.
Fuck that shit. Nigga, I was about to be skunked in the first place too, nigga. Anyways, it's cool.
You didn't have no faith in your team?
It's cool though, man. I have faith, but nigga, I did not have faith in that shocking. Shit, that shit was imminent. I know my team could cook, bro, but
Not let him cook.
for some reason they're heating up slowly.
That's crazy.
They're heating up slowly.
That's
They're not cooking yet. They're heating up slowly. They're still warming up. They're still raw. Come on, nigga. Push. Ah!
You think Davis? You ain't gonna pass Davis.
Harry Kane is not a playmaker, nigga. Fuck that nigga.
Oh my god, we almost got to him. We almost got to him. Stay back, stay back, stay back. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Run, nigga! Run, nigga!
Oh, we need a goal. We need a goal, chat. Thank you.
Sick motherfucker. Why would you do that?
Oh, damn. Threaded pass. Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
What
They're
the fuck?
working. They're working.
Space.
They're working. Run it, brother. Run it, brother, on the left.
Yeah. Oh, no way. No way.
First
no
touch.
Way. Mistake.
They're here. Prairie.
Get that shit out. Get that shit out. Get that shit out. Step, nigga, step! Nigga need yell for what? Nigga just step. Get that shit out.
Go back, drop. Everybody. Watch
him spread, nigga.
What's wrong with you?
You're not that fast, though.
What?
Nigga. Boom! Ooh. Ooh.
No way.
Go.
No way. Kane? Oh my god!
Fucking
Oh my
man.
god!
That shot was about to be fantastic.
Cook him
Of
up.
course. Gonna go wide, and that's where we want you to go. Back to him like a bitch. Fuck!
You giving the game?
No.
Strong man, very, very strong man. He's a very strong man. He's a strong man so far.
You think you're funny, huh?
Very, very funny.
You think you're funny, stronger or not, you're still feeling this shit, nigga.
Yep.
And the stronger you are, the more pain I would assume.
I should go to my bone, nigga. I don't
Foul.
feel it, nigga. What foul? Halftime, nigga. You guys were relaxed. Chat, I don't want to get tased one time, man. I don't want
You're gonna have to.
No,
You're gonna have to get this one time, man. Give me that. Oh, no way. He just spun me like that. This is Van Dyke. What's up?
What's up, Van Dyke? What's up?
What's up,
What's up, Van Dyke?
What's up? What's up?
What's up, man?
Get that shit out, nigga.
Oh, Davis is up there, nigga. This my record right here. That's my record right there, man.
Climb it on, nigga.
I'm telling you. Yee. Davis, please. Davis, you're faster than
you're cooked.
You're faster than this nigga.
That nigga fucking started climbing.
His off. Chat, hit.
Apparently not.
Harry. You know where you can shoot from? Oh my god. You're a hater, bro.
Hater or one step ahead, nigga. Yeah. I knew, nigga.
Boom!
Give me that. Oh, yeah. You thought I was going to send it to him?
Maybe.
You thought wrong. Oh! You thought for too long.
Wrong pass.
No, nigga, play to his feet! Oh, shit.
Get him!
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh,
Oh, shit. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God!
You give me the game?
Hold on.
Give me the game? I'll take the game.
Let me think.
All right.
Let me think. Hold on.
Wonderful, by the way. Wonderful. What a very beautiful goal. Very immaculate. Amazing. Very amazing. Very, very amazing. You're a ball head coach. So you gonna give me the game? You gonna give me the game? I'm almost about to touch it, nigga. Ah! No way.
What? You did it. You did. I swear you did it.
No.
You did it.
No.
You did. I swear you did. I swear to God you did it. I swear to God, I'll watch you like you did it.
Right,
what the
ahead,
fuck?
go ahead.
What I was about to say this quick.
Go ahead. But we gotta see if that shit works though, nigga. It worked.
It did. Yeah, bro. What the fuck?
I pressed it. I was
Yeah,
supposed
you
to
did
hold
press
it.
No, you're not.
I should have held it, Chad. I should have held that bitch for at least a second. I should have held it, nigga.
What the fuck? You're not supposed to hold it. Just press it.
Just press it.
That's why
I pressed it and it never worked.
Nigga. It never works. So what do you
It
mean?
caused me a forfeit. It just caused me one forfeit. Who do you think you are, man? Oh my lord. Chad, God's on my side. Chad, God's on my side. And give him a red.
Oh God. Bro, what the fuck? Yo. Nigga, hit the balls, nigga.
You're cooked, nigga. You're cooked, nigga. And the skunk.
I'll quit the game.
You quit the game, nigga. The game's already over, nigga. The game's already over, nigga. You give me the next game. 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 You get. Chad, I don't know. This is gonna call the game when the game got skunked.
The
He
game
got
is
skunked. Chad, I skunked him. Then he said game over.
I'm fucking the game.
The whole thing?
You hear that nigga?
No, I did it.
I say you hear that nigga.
What nigga?
The girls.
We're not worried about it, Grasshopper. We're not worried about it,
Come
Grasshopper.
on, bro. It's a new game, bro.
Hey, no.
It's a new game.
No. You give me the next game. You give me the next game, and then we'll call it. You give me the next game.
I'm like, no.
You can't.
No. I'll give you one goal.
Can't give me one.
I'll
If you give me one goal, then that means I have to
No.
hit you with one too.
Hell no.
What?
I just give you one goal next game.
That's an own goal.
Yeah.
But that's not my new. I don't want that. I don't want that deal.
But you up 1-0.
I don't want that deal though.
Why are you up 1-0?
I don't want that goal though. I don't want that. No.
I won't shock you next game.
You
One
want
time.
shot? No, then I'll be comfortable. I need to stay on 10.
I won't shock you at all next game.
I need to stay on 10 toes, man.
I won't shock you at all next game.
You want to shut me at all next game?
Next game.
At all?
If I score.
If you score at all, you won't
I
shut me
won't
at
shock
all.
you at all. But if I don't score, then. Yeah?
Yeah.
No, they get.
What the fuck, Chad? What the fuck?
I'm scoring a hat trick in this game.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Bro, I got shocked already, bro. 4 times. Oh shit, 3 times.
I know. First time we did shot calls, I took
But you see my hand? It's a little shaky.
It's alright.
That's not alright.
Oh my god, chat. I'm gonna hit you with it, and then you can switch. It's the end of the game. You can switch too. Switch too. It's the end of the game. Switch too. No, it's not.
I don't want to feel pain, but it's about that. You know, when I started off, I was cool, bro. I was cool. Yeah. Feeling pain was cool, but now I don't want to feel.
You don't want to. No more.
I don't want to feel pain.
No more. No more.
Chat, it's okay. We'll do better next game.
It's on, right? Like a champ. You're a liar!
It's been on there.
You're a liar!
It's on there.
Oh!
Billahi, nigga. Wallahi, Billahi was on there.
Right.
What the fuck?
Right, you swore. You swore.
You think I just played that off like that?
It's only the fact that you
what
swore,
the fuck?
Nigga.
That shit
It's only
hurt,
really because
nigga.
you swore, nigga.
What? Swore or not, nigga. That shit hurt, nigga. You didn't hear it vibrate?
I didn't. I can't.
What? Chat. Second game.
Third game.
Third game.
Third game.
Third game. Started the third game. Gave him the second game. Oh, what a overlap to run.
You didn't just give us that game. We want it, you know? Don't take it out, you fuck nigga.
Oh, this is the fourth game. Cause I gave you the second game, right? And then the third game you just won. Right?
Right. So I missed the marker tally then. I gotta strike my tally, nigga.
You didn't do it twice?
I only did it for 2 games.
Yeah.
So this is the
you
fourth
only
game.
won 2 games.
So this is the 4th game.
Yeah,
oh,
exactly.
Yeah,
and I won one.
Yeah, you did win the
goal.
You did win the first game. Lucky ass goal in the first game, nigga. Lucky ass goal. I swear to God, bro. And I didn't know how the fuck that nigga missed. Weak ass comeback, bro. You know my niggas are shooters, right? Oh my lord.
If they can get to shoot.
Don't pass it. Don't pass it. Oh, you're cooked.
Oh, my nigga.
Davis is right there, nigga.
Oh, my fucking God. How the fuck can I?
Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up.
This fucking nigga, bro.
Larry.
Fuck.
Harry, why'd you come? Why the fuck did you come back, Harry? Why'd you come back, nigga? Nobody told you to drop, nigga. Jeez Louise.
Keep running, nigga. Keep running, nigga.
Turn him up.
Nigga, boy, you right next to him, God. Hell no. The fuck from that angle, nigga?
What?
A lefty from that angle?
It's a lefty. You could do it. Yes, you can. Yeah, you can. Roberto Carlos did it.
Nigga, he's not Roberto Carlos though.
Wow.
Nigga.
So Roberto Carlos can't do what another, or no, none of them can't do what Roberto Carlos can't do.
They haven't been able to do it.
That was a lucky ass goal, nigga. That was a lucky ass goal.
He done it multiple times. That nigga had a bend. His dick was probably bent. Oh my God. Off. I knew it was off. That was
why you saying? You didn't even say no homo. Pause. You ain't say no pause, no pause. Diddy, no nothing.
Pause. Worry about this goal that you missed.
Nah, nigga, let's worry about what you say. This nigga said what?
This goal that you missed, nigga. That nigga is fast.
Fuck that nigga. You get scared when this nigga Davis comes towards you, bro. You guys get shook. It's like you guys lose balance when that nigga Davis come towards you.
That nigga.
Yeah. Are you running? You running? Uh-oh. 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 Wow. 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 Ah, wow. Oh! No, it's not off!
Come on, nigga. Nigga loves being off. Hurry up, I need to score!
I'll pass it. Oh, shit. Go back, nigga. Drop, nigga. Oh my god.
Fuck! Nigga ran too much.
Keep running, Davis. Right, Davis. Keep running, Davis.
He's gonna pass it to him. I know you're pointing yet. You talked about it too much, nigga. What the fuck in this? Whoa! Yes!
Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! What is going on?
What is going on, bro?
God! You're good. You're good. You're good.
Wow!
You're good. Oh my lord! Shoot! You kissed the post twice. You're in love with the post, bro.
Nigga said I'm not with the post. Fuck the post, nigga. I'm trying to divorce that bitch. This shit brings no good luck, nigga. The post is the problem.
Oh shit! Let's relax, bro. What?
Give me that.
Don't pass it, bro. Don't. Oh my god, Davis, please come back. David, please come back. David,
come back, David.
David.
Nothing's working, bro. Give me that.
Yeah, we're here.
Oh my god. Shit.
Yeah. Oh, we're in. We're in. Yes. Yo, I'm fucking around. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Ah!
Yo, we're up. We're gone. What?
I should have cut it back. Every single time it's gonna slide. I should have cut it back, bro. I should have cut it back. You're getting shocked this game, bro. I'm gonna go fuck.
No way.
I don't care. Oh, he stepped up. He stepped up, chat. He stepped up. Go. Come on. Trade me. Go, Salah, go. Oh, you gave me the wrong nigga. Oh, my God.
Joe Davis. Joe.
He's in.
Davis.
He's in.
Davis.
You shit yourself.
I'll give you this game.
Allah, you give me the game. I don't care. I'm winning it, nigga.
Don't do that, yes. Oh, please. Ah! I can feel it. Suck. Go. Hold on. I got.
It's not on. It's not on. It's not on. Is it on?
It's on.
It is on?
It's
You
on.
sure it's on?
Relax. Hold on. Let me see. Let me think. If I give you this game, right?
We're in extra time. What do you mean give me the game? Huh? What sense does that make give me the game? You're not gonna give me the I don't care, nigga. You're not winning this game.
Alright, go. Go! You're a dickhead, nigga. You're a dickhead.
Oh, hold on.
You're a dickhead, man. What the fuck? What the fuck's going on, bro?
Hold on, nigga.
You're lying. Chat. I swear to God, nigga, chat, bro. Hey, let me see. It was zero. It was zero. And yours,
that's why it didn't work.
For you, it was zero.
No.
For you, it was zero.
It was 1 on mine. Mine, it was 1.
Why, bro?
Well, why was 1 on mine?
How was mine 0?
That's why it wasn't working. You know how many times I pressed this shit already? You didn't feel nothing, yeah. Because it was 0. That's why it wasn't working. Now it's working. Yo, Chad, I was like, what the fuck is going on? What is going on? Kept pressing on it. This nigga's not feeling shit. I pressed vibrate, it vibrates, and I had to check it. It was on 0 the whole time. That's why it didn't shock him.
Let's go, bro. That's the first ever in this whole stream.
Fuck. Yo, bro, I swear this nigga be doing fucking screens and shit. What the fuck, nigga?
Why don't you do it? Why don't you do it?
It's soccer, nigga.
Hey, ref not calling
What are you doing, nigga? Screens and shit.
Ref not calling.
Move out the way, nigga. Get the ball. We're playing kickball. Huh? Not fucking screens and shit, man.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I'll give you the game.
No! I don't want it. Now you want to give me the game?
You sure?
Now you want to give me the game?
You sure you don't want the game?
Now you want to give me the
You
game?
sure you don't want the game?
No.
You sure?
No.
Alright, cool.
I love it. It's better to be in control than not in control. Give me.
Yeah. Come on! He forgot his He forgot his
Again, bro. Not again, bro. Chad,
Sad. Sometimes when you're out of control, you're still in control. Clock it. Damn, so I score now. I gotta score a goal. What?
Call it. Bro, there's no way I did that shit to myself again, bro.
It's okay, bro. Pain is a temporary feeling. It may last for a minute. It may last for an hour. But eventually, it will subside.
Yo, ref, you not gonna call that? You not gonna call that?
Nigga?
That was a foul on y'all niggas end.
Game, nigga.
PKs, bro, that's insane, nigga. What? Where you gonna go? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You took too long, mate. Son of a bitch, Kane, you son of a bitch. Kane, you motherfucker. I knew where you was at, though, bro.
Why you? Oh, he's diving so fucking slow. Slow motion ass nigga.
Slow motion ass nigga. Look up, brother. Look up, brother. Bottom left. That's it. This is our game, chat. Chat is us. Chat is us.
Okay, we need to say what? We need to say what? Black nigga!
Davis.
Black nigga! Give me that. Nigga spoke too soon, chat. He spoke too soon.
Sane. Sane's going super sane this bitch. Sane's going super sane this bitch. Game time, baby. Is that game? That's game time, baby. For the streets.
Man, only one tally, bro. Only one dub today, bro.
What up? That's 3 games, nigga. I think you lost a team.
Did I?
You did. Or either, yeah, you did. You either did, or I could bring it, or I got a team back.
Yeah, it's 3 games. Yeah. Which one you prefer, nigga? Me losing a team or
You lose your team.
Why?
You lose your team. Why would I let you keep your team? Why?
Because you want your team
Why?
back. You are Real Madrid.
No, I don't want Real Madrid no more. Them niggas trash to me, bro. Bayern is just quick.
Nah, nigga, Bayern is trash too.
No way. Bayern is way better, bro. Come on, man.
Bayern is trash too. You should get rid of them, bro.
Hell no.
I'm telling you.
I'm doing it for myself.
No, no.
I do for me. I do for me. Oh! Shut!
Chat.
I hate when this nigga plays. Why you play, nigga?
Is at my hand. The controller is in my hand. Should I press it now? Let's take this off so we can see the screen, bro.
Well, like the whole screen came off, bro. It still works though.
Stop playing, bro. This nigga's playing, bro. Why this nigga fuck, bro? This nigga,
Yo,
dog.
The whole screen came off, bro. That's crazy.
You okay, bro?
Don't ask me if I'm okay, nigga. Don't ask me if I'm okay.
Yo, you think Real Madrid is still playing? Nah, they might still be playing after this game. I'm just gonna keep it quick so I can hate watch for a little bit.
All right. Don't touch the ball, bro.
I hope they're losing. I hope they're losing, bro. Just like a lot.
What yeah? Please.
Show yourself in the frame, man. It's on me. It's on me. Son, this nigga's dangerous. This nigga looked at me dead in the eye. Dead in the eye, Jack. Dead in the eye. You see? I looked at him straight up. Looked at him dead in the eyes.
It's not
Something
my
is
fault.
wrong.
It's not my fault.
Something is wrong.
What do you mean?
Let me vibrate first. It was on mine. Very good actor. Very good actor. Very good actor. You slip one time, it's on you. You slip the second time, fire! Yeah. Yeah, let them bangs pop out, nigga. This is an experiment. This nigga, man. I can't believe you let me shock myself. Chat.
That was a close one, chat. Kitty almost shocked himself again.
So he knew. He knew.
I was wishing you didn't switch it, nigga. I was hoping you didn't switch it.
We're gonna give you another one just for that. We're gonna give you another one just for that. We're gonna give you another one just for that.
Oh no! What a save. What a fucking save up. Oh my god.
Yes, that would have been a wonderful setup right there. Wonderful. Run him up. I'm with him. Run him up.
Goal!
Don't fuck around, bro. Go ahead. That's how we want it. That's how we want it, you know? Quick and simple.
Quick and simple, huh?
Good. Yes.
Yeah, you don't want to drag it out.
No, not at all. Not at all. Not at all, my friend. But you know what's gonna happen to you? Don't run him. It's cooked. Or I'm cooked.
Yeah, hey, we like the rephrase of the sentence. He's not cooked. I'm cooked. So weird. Oops, wrong button. My bad.
Okay.
My bad. My button, nigga. My bad. I had to look at the right one. My bad, nigga. My bad. Oops. Yeah, oops. My bad.
You had that removed forever, nigga. You gonna say wrong button. Nigga knows what button he's pressing, bro. Fuck. I don't know why that one just hurt, bro. What the fuck? I'm on two. I'm on two. How am I on two?
Yeah, like you know.
You knew.
Nigga. How? You saying this whole game you played it with two?
No, I didn't. But why?
There's no way I could have known unless I was playing with your shit. Oh no! That nigga sane, nigga. That nigga sane, super sane, almost went insane. Why the fuck you pass it? It's okay. That's what we do. We pass the ball.
Oh my god, bro. What? That one hurt.
Oh, it's 3. It's 3-1, chat. Let's skunk them real quick. Hell no. Hell no! Keeper, what the fuck are you doing?
My savior. Your keep can't do nothing about that. No. Test run. Amazon effect.
Nigga, I think first it hits the skin, right? After it hits the skin, it goes deep into the bone. The bone starts shaking too, bro. I swear to God, bro. Fuck! They keep giving me the wrong nigga, bro. That's not the nigga I'm required. Yeah.
It's so off. They got ball anyway. Just play it. Fucking cricket, Erica. It's alright, man. Stug it out. It's just all good.
What's the last goal you scored, man?
You can't predict the future, bro.
Come on.
You just can't predict the future, bro. Cause if I can shoot it from here. Hey! Hey! What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Ken, oh my god.
Spun him at the fucking top. Good pass. Good finish.
They're gonna take his time, bro.
Gotta get a good stretch in, you know.
It's cool. Let's have it on your end, huh? Let's have it on your end.
A PTSD's kicking in already, chat. My boy is traumatized, bro.
Think it's funny, nigga.
Yeah.
Think it's funny,
It's a
nigga.
side effect shock right there.
Get out of the way, bro. This nigga's just standing there.
Pass this shit out. Thank you.
I'm fucking.
Thank you.
I'm playing off. Man.
Straight to the nigga.
No, he's not. He's not off. He's not off.
Run with me, nigga. What are you doing? He's in. Oh! Oh, he was in. Niggas always gotta ruin this shit. Foul.
Give me the foul!
Yo.
Oh, they won't let me. I'm locked up. They won't let me out. Oh. Too much. Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it, chat. 2 out of 5.
Hey, you weren't even supposed to play with your. Oh my god.
That's true. You still played though. Next game though. Next game. Next
You weren't
stream.
supposed to play with your team, nigga.
Next stream.
It's 108.
Well, next stream.
It's 108.
Let's check if Brahma just still playing.
Get this shit off of me, bro. Yo, chat.
Chat.
3 dubs on the list. Y'all already know, nigga. Y'all already know, nigga. Y'all already know,
That shit
nigga.
short. He won. So what?
He was so what? So what? They get better, nigga.
It is what it is. You know, I take that shit.
Yo, take that shit.
You know.
Eat it up. Show it up. Serve it up. Serve it to you for breakfast and
Take that shit to the
dinner.
chin, to the chin, you know. It's okay. It is what it is, you know. Make sure you do what you guys do best, you know. By supporting us, you know. Like, subscribe, share.
Thank you for watching, brothers. Thank you for watching, and sisters, whoever you are. See you in the next stream, bro. See you in the next stream.
Love.